Touched by Nature's unique recipe has been rooted by bringing together both you as the guest and the guide's perspective. In fact, we don't refer to our guides as merely just a guide. They are your safari host, available to you 24/7, acting as a liaison between you and the lodges, ensuring that all your requirements are met. They offer that personal, private butler experience. Our safaris are exclusive and private to you and whomever you decide to bring along. Between you and your safari host, you have complete freedom over your schedule and you decide how you want to spend your time. Due to us not being lodge owners, we are able to select the best quality lodges in and around the Kruger National Park, and when you ensure your safari with us, every aspect of your journey is taken care of right down to the smallest detail with no compromise. I invite you to take that first step, get in contact with us, so together we can explore what is meant to be the best safari for you.